Bitcoin keeps surging and one company making a bold move on the cryptocurrency. MicroStrategy scooping up nearly 30,000 Bitcoins for $650 million, bringing that company's total Bitcoin holding to more than $1 billion today. Joining me now, MicroStrategy Chairman and CEO Michael Saylor. Michael, I got to tell you, you have become something of a superstar evangelist for Bitcoin, and you put your money where your mouth is. Tell us why. Why are you such a believer, and where is Bitcoin going?
Look, there's two things that I want to say to the world. First of all, Bitcoin itself is an institutional-grade safe haven asset, and it's engineered to be superior to gold in all respects. That makes it the ideal store of value solution to every individual, institution, corporation on Earth. The second thing is Bitcoin is the world's first digital monetary network. It's like Facebook or Google for money. It's the first network in the history of the world where you can collect and channel and store all the money in the world for 100 years and not lose any of it. That makes it 100 times bigger than big tech. Everybody needs to plug into it. Every individual, every corporation, every government's got a problem, which is how do they deal with a collapsing currency and what's their store of value? Bitcoin's the solution.
Michael, from 2011 to 2020, Bitcoin rallied 6,271,233%, or annualized 203%, annualized to 2.2% for gold, underscoring your point, but also making people wonder just how much more room is there to the upside. I mean, I've heard targets of 1 million.
Look, first of all, it's not a rally. It's not a bubble. It's a chain reaction spreading like a fire in cyberspace. And it's being driven, it's driving the flow of conventional assets because of escalating risk of global currency devaluation, tech disruption, social dislocation, political uncertainty. So if you're a corporation and you're sitting with US dollars on your balance sheet, they're liabilities. You're going to lose 15% of your purchasing power against scarce assets every year for the next 5 years. It's like a melting ice cube. Bitcoin, as you pointed out, is going up more than 100% a year. So the logical thing for every corporation to do is convert their balance sheet from USD to BTC. And the answer to your question is Bitcoin's going to demonetize gold, negative yielding sovereign debt, low yielding sovereign debt, and all of the index funds that are being used as a store of value. There's $100 to $200 trillion worth of stuff there. This thing can go on for quite a while.
It seems like Elon Musk, someone who's well known for being ahead of the curve, is now intrigued by it. You've actually gone on Twitter and social media encouraging to make a move, and follow up on what he's saying. Do you think he will soon? You think he'll take the dive into Bitcoin?
I can't speak for Elon, but what I can say is that if you've got $20 billion on your balance sheet and you know that you're going to lose 20% of the purchasing power a year and it's going to be cut in half in the next 3 to 4 years, the simple move is convert the $20 billion into Bitcoin, let it double, double, and double again. As soon as the market figures out what's going on, there's going to be a stampede to follow you. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. And a positive feedback loop, and it's a screaming good idea to build shareholder value.
Well, next time you come on, I want to talk about the company too, because you've done some revolutionary things in the whole cloud space as well. We really appreciate it. Love the way you laid it out. I want to open my Coinbase account right after this show. Thank you so much, Michael.
Thank you.